Hi guys, Hi guys, Mab here and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Mab and I do custom stickers and DIYs. So if that's your thing, do not forget to smash the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And for today's video, I am gonna try out something new, which is a puddle Dutch pour with 5 pastel colors. Now, the reason why I'm doing this is it's an experiment to see how it would layer, how it would mix, and how it would end up. And I don't know how that's gonna work out, so if you'd like to see how that goes, then keep on watching. So it's kind of dark. We're losing the sun. I think it's gonna rain. So we gotta do this quick. And I'm gonna be trying out a puddle Dutch pour, but it's all gonna be pastel colors. That's very liquidy, very watery. Let's try to spread this out. So let's try to start off with blue. I mixed very little paint. And yellow. Purple. I want to see how these colors will mix. Let's go for green. That's pretty. Okay. It's kind of off center. So I'm just trying to spread that out right over here. I'm trying to make it move. And then let's put some white. Okay. That's that. Now let's start pulling this upwards. Downward, so we can cover it all up. Yee! Purple and green is so pretty. I'll try to add some more of that. And there you have it. We're all good. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate that. And if you did like the video, enjoyed it, or at least learned something from it, please do not forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And if you have any comments, questions what we did, or suggestions on what videos you want me to do next, please feel free to put them all down below or hit me up on Instagram at it's me, Mav. You know, have a good one. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much again for watching. Bye-bye!